Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Sales by Product report in Warehance. First, navigate to the Reports section in the left main menu and select Sales by Product. This report will display all your sales data by product over the past several days, giving you insights into your sales trends. You can sort the report by different time frames, including the last 30, 60, 90, or 365 days, to see how your products have performed over time. In addition to sales figures, the report shows on-hand inventory, so you can track stock levels alongside sales performance. You can customize your report by changing the displayed columns to show the data you need most, filtering out specific stores to exclude them from the report, and many more. This report is a powerful tool for forecasting inventory needs, as it helps you see exactly how many units were sold during each selected period, allowing you to plan restocks or adjust production accordingly. Keep in mind that with more sales data in your account, this report will display richer and more detailed insights.